This video playlist is about optional practical training that takes place after graduation, which is referred to as post-completion OPT. Travel abroad on OPT. While you are on OPT, you remain in F-1 status. If you have plans to travel abroad during this period, you need to know in advance what you need to return to the US in F-1 status without jeopardizing your OPT authorization. Do not enter in any other status. Some documentation is the same as when you were an enrolled student. You still need to have a valid, unexpired passport. You continue to need an unexpired F-1 entry visa to enter the US in F-1 status. If your visa has expired, you need to apply for a new F-1 visa at a US embassy or consulate outside the US. If you need to apply for a new visa, your visa application materials should include your EAD and a letter regarding employment that you are either resuming or beginning when you get back to the US. What is not the same is that the travel signature on page 2 of your OPT I-20 is valid for 6 months, not 12. If you'll need a new travel signature to return from a trip abroad, please see our webpage on how to obtain one, either in person or by requesting it to be mailed to you. In addition to your usual travel documents, any travel done after the completion date on the I-20 will require proof that you have applied for or are on OPT. In this case, you will need either the receipt notice, or if you have been approved, then you need the EAD and a letter from an employer. Review the ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement website for frequently asked travel and re-entry questions. Be aware that your admission to the US is always at the discretion of the port of entry officer. If you leave the US while your OPT application is pending, you also risk missing communication from USCIS that will be mailed only to your US address, such as a letter requesting for further evidence, RFE, or the EAD itself. You should consult the ISSO for guidance in this situation. Go to our webpage for the documents you'll need to return from a trip abroad. Thank you for watching this video. Please review our other videos for further information.